Ano? Yung marami na isa. Yan, lagay. Iwan. Ano? Dong. Yan, hindi.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore.
Hello netizens! So nandito pa lang kami ngayon sa San Ramon Beach Resort kung saan sinaselebrate namin ang birthday ng pamangking kong si Catalea Hope. So pagkatapos namin kumain, naglaro muna kami ng volleyball kasama mga pinsan ko. So, yung plano talaga namin dito is mag-overnight kami kasi yung mga bisita namin is gabi pa dadating. Kaya yan, maglalaro muna kami while naghahintay sa mga bisita.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger.
Nandito ako ngayon sa San Ramon, pero it's night time. Kasi I wanna experience the San Ramon. Wala akong nakikita guys, kasi nakatutok yung sa mukha ko, nakatutok yung camera sa mukha ko. Titignan nyo yung daanan. Hindi makapasok. Ha?
Tanda, sa sige na pumunta na pangalan tayo. Gingan na namo.
Asusena!
Amo gali.
May flashlight na tayo.
So yan, around 8 PM na pagkasundoan namin maghanap muna ng crabs sa buhanginan kasi madami kaming namamataan sa paligid. So kasama yung mga kapatid ko, yung mga kaibigan ko, naghanap kami ng mga crabs dito sa buhanginan.
Talk on the town. They say you're alone. They say that you ain't sound. But I don't believe that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I've been a treasure, waiting for someone to prove himself worthy of true.
locally known as walo-walo. Maliit pa siya. Mga kalaki niya, mga like, mga 4 feet to 6 feet, ganyan.
Walo-walo.
Hey, hi.
Kusog ka sa bitin mo ba?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. 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 Jason. Dipoy.
I am Dipoy. So ito pala si Catalea, yung ating birthday girl. Nagre-reklamo pala siya dito kasi nakakain siya ng sili.
Ano kasi cheese curl?
Prank namin yung mga prank guys.
God. Tignan niyo yung nahuli namin.
So after ilang oras ng pakikipagpatintero sa mga crabs, ito na yung nahuli
Ano naman ito
namin.
ginatawag na alamang, di ba? Alamang. Alamang. Linis muna tayo ng katawan. Flowers.
So nandito naman yung kapatid kong lalaki, kasama yung jowa niya na nagluluto ng isda. Nauulamin namin mamaya sa dinner.
Shit, kalaki. Asan yung kulit?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs.
Tignan natin kung malaman. Open ka ng isa.
To
Yan.
get away.
Parang deads naman yun. Close, i-close. Baka magano, baka mag...
Make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Ano?
Baby, I'll always stay with you. So put your trust in me.
Na parang fight sila.
We'll work it out.
Magkilay-kilay na kat, saka tubangan.
Dili na kasi no.
Tubangan kasi.
Saan to naon?
Oo.
Lagkap man ka. Ako na mga.
Malikot mo din.
Munggo diri ko.
Bago na.
Baby, let's go for a ride.
Hindi naman na maugot.
You and I, let us run away.
Alaman no.
We can go where we want. I love your bag if you
May post yan. Ipakita mo kayo. Ipakita mo. Sa Instagram.
you and I.
Can't wait. Yo, masig na yung nag-liw card. Isa ko gano'y mamatay sana. Si bro.
I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels.